All right, it's time for them to come out.
Hold on, hold
It's
on.
hot. Hold on, hold on.
It
It don't
ain't
get no better than
that,
this.
it ain't that good, girl.
You better try it. It's so good.
Let me, my girlfriend is about to cook, y'all. It's the one and only Amari B. A.B. Steak. Steak. The one and only Amari B.
That should be enough. Less is more, right?
Yeah, I guess. Less is more.
Let's get to seasoning these bad babies. Look how big they are.
They is not that big. Girl, they thin as hell.
They long.
Okay.
So of course I'm gonna use seasoning salt, Lori seasoning salt. Seasoned meat tenderizer. And salt.
Oh, Lord. I can't give her too much credit, y'all. She might start to get a big head. But I love her, though.
I'm gonna rinse it off.
I'm gonna put it on 7.
Okay. We're gonna do with the meat tenderizer first. Just a little bit. Not too much.
Why not too much?
Do you want it to be too seasoned? Or do you want it to be just right like the
I
other
want it
stuff?
to be just right.
Okay. We just did both.
Put the stove on 7.
We just did both sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so meat tenderizer, right?
Yeah, meat tenderizer. Got some Lori.
Lori seasoning salt.
Boom, boom, boom. You can flip it over. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay. Now we're gonna do a little bit of salt, just a little bit, because we have a lot of seasoning that's going on here. You see the salt on it?
Yep.
Put salt on this side. Oh, that's too much. Good thing it's like that. Okay, now just rubbing it together. And I did wash my hands, y'all.
Yeah, she did.
Okay, now we're gonna get the pan.
Pan.
We
Look
already poured oil inside the pan.
Not too much. More is left. Dang, I put this thing on 7.
And now we're just gonna fry it. A few minutes each side. Maybe like 5
5 minutes each side.
6 minutes.
It's gotta be 5 minutes.
I'll put it on 6.
Let me flip. You want me to flip it?
You wanna do it, Dad?
Do you want me to flip it?
Yeah. Okay. He don't know what he's doing, y'all.
Hold on. Why? We don't even need to flip it yet.
I just want to see what the other side looking like.
We just put this on.
I ain't gonna lie. I did flip it over like 1 minute and then 1 minute because I didn't want it to get too brown. So I've been flipping it back and forth a little bit. But for this type of steak, it only takes less than 10 minutes. 10 minutes or less to cook.
That shit look good
Alright, look at my baby cooking.
though. Yeah. Squeeze the pouch. Separate the rice. Tear two.
What do you do, guys? Oh, microwave. A minute and 30, y'all. They gotta be on a minute and 30. Dishes for me. He's so sweet. And this is how the food came out. Rice and steak. Yellow rice and steak. We'll let you know how it tastes.